This is a quick tutorial on how to use Pizap. First thing is open up a browser and navigate to the website www.pizap.com. I've already keyed it into this Chrome page, and when you first get there, it gives you the option to log in. One thing that I love about Pizap is that you do not necessarily need an account in order to use this tool. I also like that it does have an app that is available for mobile device on Android and also on iOS. So it's a pretty standard or generically used design or a tool that you can use to design things with. So I'm here at pizap.com, and the very first thing is click Edit at the very top. I'm going to select Classic rather than Beta. And it may ask you to have an Adobe Flash plugin. It flashed earlier very quickly, but since I have the plugin, it just bypassed. So if you run into to a little glitch, that might be the issue. So here we are. The next thing you'll have to do is select a photo, and I'm going to select the photo for the background. So I'm going to go to Pizap Backgrounds. On the left-hand side, you have categories, and I'm just going to select this one right here. And now I have a background for my product or the thing that I'm making. At the top, you have a navigation bar, or really not really a navigation bar, it's more tools. So on the left hand side, you have these three dots for options. You could change the background photo, you could restart, and I have not yet used any of these. I haven't had a need to. There is a filter that works very much like phone filters, and then there's a text box. So I'm going to go ahead and select the text, and here I'm going to type how to use Pizap. And you have an option to change the font style. I'm going to scroll down and select Bradley 1. There we go. By default, the font color is white. It has a glow of blue, and the size is 50. So let's say that I wanted to change the color of the wording. I can select here some red, and it has some blue background. It still has actually not a blue background, it has a blue glow. So I'm going to resize this by clicking these dots, and voila, how to use Pizap. You have other features also available at the very top. I'm going to show you the sticker feature. Let's say that I want to include a sparkle. How to use Pizap. Let's say I want it right there. There we go. There's a cloning tool. There's also this border tool that I've used where it actually will add a border to the image or the digital creation. So simple borders are here, so I could use this. So now that I'm finished, I just simply hit save, and it will save it locally. You'll have to find how to use Pizap. Find a location locally on your machine to save it, and there we go. If I was logged in, I could name it and then hit done, and it would save it inside my Pizap account. So that's how you use Pizap with some basic features.